What you doing, Ma? You going out riding again?
Go away.
You going out riding again?
No.
You want to explain what happened?
No.
Why?
'Cause
I love old people.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
I'm waiting. Did you find your thing, Ma?
Yeah. It was on my leg. Okay.
What was on your leg?
And this one was gone. Like that. So I thought I lost it. So I went back out to go riding on my bike. And I felt something on my leg. It had slipped down and it was underneath this.
So she was going to go ride and find it.
Yeah, and I would have had to ride a long ways too. Boy, am I glad I found it before I left.
I love old people.
Oh. It's crazy.
Our dog has to have her food softened up and put on the floor before she'll eat it. And she's getting mad. She's getting mad because her food's not ready. What's the matter, Abby? Abby, what's the matter? Yeah, you didn't get your food yet? Yeah. You gotta wait. And she loves carrots. Well, orange things are carrots. You want your food, Abby? You're one crazy dog. Well, everybody, look what I'm riding today. Oh, not really. I'm just going to take it down and put it away for my wife. Oh, she went on a ride already, so I'm going to put her bike away and go get mine. Beats having to walk down there. Well, I think I'm ready to go now. Had to stop back at the house because it's colder out here than what I thought. So, let's get going. Back there picking up a bunch of tin from the tornado. Well, let's see what these dogs are going to do. Mama said there's a bunch of dogs up here. What you doing? Hey. All kinds of dogs. My goodness. Having a dog convention. Yep, they're out in the fields trying to pick up all the tin from the tornado. If you want to see what the tornado's all about, I'll leave a link up above. We got hit with a tornado, and I don't remember what the final count was, but they were saying like 80 or some people died. And yeah, it was pretty scary. Happy to make it. But today's nice sunshiny day, but still cold. I started to go out with just my vest and said, nope, that ain't gonna cut it. And so I had to go back. Here's a interesting thing. I've talked about this probably before, but this little house up here is an Amish phone booth. They can't have a phone in their house or any technology, but they have it out here. Which is rather interesting. Stop here, take a look at the sheep, or the goats as the case may be. I put my hat on. It's cold. Hey, goat. Meh. 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 I think those are goats. And if you ever notice, goats and sheep look a lot alike in the wild and also in church. I believe these are goats though. Hard to say though. But a shepherd would know. I think there's a proverb there. Oh, I can't believe how cold it is out here. These old bridges. Interesting tidbit here. In our state, you can bury Grandpa in the backyard, and no one will say a word. You can bury your loved ones anywhere you want, so you can have your own private burial plot, which is kind of neat, unless you go to sell the land and got to move Grandpa off the land if you want to keep him. But anyways, I thought that was kind of neat. Not something I was used to before I moved here. Just like the old times. Let's see if the dogs are out here today. See if I can sneak by here. Yeah, sometimes they'll come out like a bandit. Other times they just let me ride by. But here's that house I was talking about. It's gone. Used to be a house here. I don't know what happened. Going through my tree tunnel. Ain't nothing in here right now because the trees are bare, but in the summertime this is really beautiful through here. And plus it's a lot cooler. It's hot out. This road is completely shaded. Really a nice place to ride in the summertime. Tree in full bloom up here. Let's see if this dog comes out again. Looks like they're putting some new drain pipe down there, because we get a lot of rain here. Put drain pipe in on the field to help get the water out. Must be riding with the wind because it feels pretty good through here. I think it's coming from the right to the left, crossing me here, so I should have it at my back up here. I got about 4 miles and I'll be home, so I went 8.7. Oh, I can't wait till spring. Always like to get these trees in bloom. It's so beautiful. Got a whole field of them out there. Kind of outlines their whole field. You can see them all there. Really pretty. I don't know what kind of trees they are. Sure are pretty. And then there's a few over here. And out in the field there's some, looks like wheat planted in this field. Oh yeah. Back riding in the wind again. Not too bad if you ride with the wind, but oh, against the wind it gets kind of rough. Glad I brought my bigger coat. But we went 10.6 miles so far. All there's where we ended. 12.3 miles, total 131. All right, everyone. Thanks for riding with me today. Can't wait for spring. A little bit warmer weather. Alrighty, it's Papa Booster. Thanks for watching, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.